For this video we're going to combine taking pictures and playing with fire. Steel wool photography almost guarantees spectacular results. After seeing the Peter McKinnon tutorial with Chris Ha, I couldn't wait to try it myself. This is all you need for this kind of picture. A lanyard, a whisker, preferably with a hole at the bottom, steel wool and, of course, fire. You also need someone who wants to model, or you have to set the self-timer if you want to be in the picture yourself. In this case, Laura was so sweet to help me out. First, click the lanyard onto the whisker. Then fill the whisker with steel wool, make sure that it gets room to breathe because else the fire will extinguish way too quick. Then try to light the steel wool on fire. If it starts to burn, it's time to swing it around like your life depends on it. Small disclaimer, please make sure you can't set the surroundings on fire. For the first picture, I just wanted to see if my settings worked. I followed Chris Ha's advice, so it's all on him if this doesn't turn out right. So I've set the manual focus and took the picture. Perfect. My settings: ISO between 50 and 100, f-stop between 5.6 and 9 and shutter between 10 and 15 seconds. I knew it looked cool to see those sparkles bounce against something, so Laura went up the bridge to a spot where she was surrounded by concrete and weird slogans. Luckily, I could crop some unwanted graffiti out of the picture. There was a nice gap between the pillars, so I was curious how it would look if the sparkles were flying against those walls. That looks amazing. We knew there was a beautiful tunnel nearby, so we also went there for a picture. I really love this picture. The colors are pretty cinematic and it looks like it's filled with a curtain of fire. For the last picture, Laura got on a traffic sign and started to swing the whisker above her head. I loved playing with fire and I think the results look cool. Which idea should I try next?